Eric Muadit, Muadit.com. Last week I made a video on CYBR where at about $47 I was showing that it was seeing some type of resistance. Let's revisit this one more time. Take a look at the weekly chart here, which is in front of us, and we can see that if we draw a line around the 50, we get some information as to how the stock has been responding to the RSI resistance. Here there was a break, and that break took place sometime in August of 2015, which is off this level here. We haven't been back to this price range in the mid to higher 50s. Now if we extend this 50 level on the weekly RSI, we can see that this was resistance once before, rejection with uniform activity in October for the highs there, and we are seeing here that we are coming back to test the 50 level. We seem like we are moving back below that 50 level on the RSI with uniform activity, suggesting here at about 47.50, 47 and change, this is also showing another instance of resistance. In fact, if you take a look at the daily, you can see that the daily is coming back to the range that we discussed last week. Now this range has given us a high here, which is the 52-week high. We've seen it come close to that range and stall. We can also see here those resistance before it plunged from about 46 all the way to 37, and now we are looking at this being uniform activity above that line and back below it. Keep in mind that this red line happens to be at about 61.8, an area where we see a lot of reversals, especially in the current market, which has been having a little bit of a downdraft. So we see here this could also turn into a level where you can see resistance at the highs of the day. Here at about 47 is where you'd expect to see resistance on the hourly. We also see confirmation of this because again, if you draw a line right there, again, which happens to be approximately at about 61.8, we see that the hourly is giving us resistance just like it did here for the highs there. We see it touching there for the highs there. You can see that this resistance band was doing these highs, and now we've hit that once before for the highs there, and we are seemingly holding resistance there. So the more it stays below the red line, the more one can expect here in the mid 47 area that the stock is going to pull back. Eric Muadit, Muadit.com. Good luck, peace and blessings. I am out. Woo! E-A-C-S.